Hey there, you've just spotted an incredible investment opportunity on Wealthsimple. You're ready to pounce, but a nagging question lingers: how long does it take for a trade to go through? Hook. We've all been there, the heart-pounding anticipation as we hit the buy or sell button, hoping our trades will execute swiftly. But the reality is, the speed of a trade on Wealthsimple can vary depending on several factors. Context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the trading process on Wealthsimple. When you place a trade, it's essentially a request to buy or sell a particular security at a specified price. This request is then sent to the stock exchange where the security is traded. Factors affecting trade execution speed. Market conditions. Volatility. During periods of high market volatility, the volume of trades can increase significantly, leading to longer processing times. Market hours. Trades are typically executed during regular market hours. Outside of these hours, trades may be subject to delays or may not be executed at all. Security type. Stocks. Trades in common stocks tend to execute relatively quickly, especially for highly liquid stocks. Options. Options trades can take longer to process due to the complex nature of options contracts. ETFs, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, generally have similar execution speeds to stocks. Trade size. Large orders, larger trades may require more time to find matching buyers or sellers, especially for less liquid securities. Small orders, smaller trades are often executed more quickly. Wealthsimple's infrastructure. Technology. Wealthsimple's trading platform is designed to execute trades efficiently. However, technical issues or system overload can occasionally cause delays. Real-world examples. To illustrate these factors, let's consider a few real-world examples. Example 1. During a period of high market volatility caused by a major news event, a trade in a popular stock might take several minutes to execute. Example 2. A small trade in a highly liquid ETF is likely to be executed within seconds. Example 3. A large trade in a less frequently traded stock might take several minutes or even hours to fill. Best practices for faster trades. Here are some tips to help you expedite your trades on Wealthsimple. Place orders during regular market hours. Avoid placing orders outside of regular market hours to minimize delays. Consider smaller trade sizes. Smaller trades are often executed more quickly than larger ones. Choose liquid securities. Trades in highly liquid securities tend to have faster execution times. Stay informed. Keep up to date with market news and conditions to anticipate potential delays. Conclusion. While there's no guarantee of instant trade execution on Wealthsimple, understanding the factors that influence trade speed can help you manage your expectations and make more informed trading decisions. Remember, patience is key, especially during periods of high market activity. End. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.